Hi guys, today I am making the Hakka noodles. I'm going to show you the ingredient which I need. I have a 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoon of Maggi masala, 2 teaspoon of garlic. I have 1 teaspoon of Szechuan chutney, 2 teaspoon of chili vinegar that I make myself in home, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1.5 cup of cabbage. I have some sliced carrot. I have some scallion. I'm using this charming packet for the noodles. I have to put the gas on the high and then I have a 1 pan of water. I'm going to boil this water first. I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and little bit oil. Now the water is boiled. I have to put the noodles for boil the noodles. I'm just going to cover this one. It has been 6 minutes now. I'm going to check. Yeah, it is done, so I'm going to drain the water. I'm going to put little bit cold water. I'm going to put the heat on high. Little bit oil, like 2 spoon of oil. Let the oil heat up. Oil is heat up. I'm going to put the garlic. I'm going to add the scallion. I'm going to add the salt. I'm going to add the carrots. In the noodles, you now have to cook like too much. Carrots like only for 1 minute. I'm going to add the cabbage. If you want to put the more vegetable, you can put the bell peppers and any kind of vegetable like broccoli. I'm going to cook this one for 3 minutes at least. I don't want too soft or too hard. So I'm going to add the Maggi masala. I'm going to add Szechuan chutney. You can put the Szechuan chutney according to your taste because it was little bit hot, so I don't like too much spicy. So I put little bit, only 1 spoon. If you want, you can put 2 spoons of chili vinegar. I'm going to add the soya sauce. I'm going to add the noodles. It's time to close the gas.